what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to modify your kayak seat in your Old Town Vapor 10. I really like this kayak, but the one thing I don't like about it is the seat. The backrest is very uncomfortable for me, so today I'm going to show you how I modified it. What you're going to need is 2 pairs of any old regular pair of pliers, Phillips head screwdriver, and razor knife. First thing you're going to do is start by removing the seat. Alright, should just come right loose. Okay. And then over here, you're going to find a knot. This is where you're going to need your pliers. The chances are it's been sitting there for a while and it's really tight, so. Move the rope. On the back here, you're gonna flip the seat all the way back with these lashes. Careful you don't break it. In case you ever want to sell your kayak, you can put it back together. Now over here, this is a stadium seat I got off Amazon. What you're gonna have to do is gonna have already connected pieces here, here. You're gonna take your razor knife, you're gonna cut these pieces off. This is gonna be connected to here, you're gonna cut that off. It's gonna have a cushion in here. Rip that out. Something that's cool about this seat is it comes with a place to go for your rope. Go through here. Really good knot back in there. And just start lining it up. also functional as well now. All right, and there it is, guys. It's a lot more comfortable than what it was. Like it to see, hit subscribe. Thanks.